Hello everyone, I am Imran. Today in this video we are going to be talking about how to become irrepressible. Is it really important? Is it really significant to be irrepressible, to make myself like irrepressible? Is it essential? Is it important? And how can I become irrepressible? What I have to do for being irrepressible? What is the meaning of irrepressible? Today in this video I am going to tell you that. So, let us not make any kind of delay and start our discussion. At first I want to say about meaning of irrepressible. Irrepressible means impossible to replace or not possible to replace. If you be irrepressible person, then people will not get another person to replace you. You are not like other person and nobody is like you, that means you are irrepressible. Suppose you are doing job in a factory. If you become irrepressible, then this authority of this factory will not get another person to replace you. So, you can do your job without any hesitation, without any tension, and they salute you always, they honor you, they respect you. So, irrepressible means impossible to replace or not possible to replace. Now, let us move on the point. Is it really important to become irrepressible? And if I make myself like irrepressible, then what kind of facilities, advantage, scope and chance I will get in my future life? And if I do not make myself like irrepressible, and if I do not become irrepressible, then what type of difficulties, what sort of problems I have to face in my life? What will happen in my life if I do not become irrepressible person? And if I become irrepressible person, then what kind of facilities I will get and what will happen in my future life? Today in this video I am going to share with you. So, at first I want to tell you, if I do not become irrepressible, then what will happen? If I do not become irrepressible, do not become and do not make myself like irrepressible person, then I have to lose many things at every stage of my life. I have to miss out many stuff at every phase of my life. I have to lose many things, I have to miss out many things. I have to be ignored, I have to be overlooked, I have to be insulted to my boss, to my family members, to my relatives, to my society, everywhere, always, all the time I have to be ignored. Nobody will consider me, nobody will care me, nobody will tend me, nobody will overlook me, nobody will look after me. Everyone will hate me, not my relative, not my family members, not my society people, people of my society, nobody will care me. Everyone will shame me, insult me, rebuke me, everyone will mock me, everyone will ridicule me. No company, no organization will invoke me, will call me to give job, to offer job. They will not offer me to do job with them, to do job with their firm, with their organization. No company, no organization will offer me, call me, invoke me to do job with them, with their firm, with their organization, with their factories. On the other hand, if I become able to make myself like irrepressible, then I will get lots of facilities, I will get more facilities, more chance, more scope to lead my life peacefully, prosperously and luxuriously. People will understand me, people will care me, I will be respected, I will be saluted, greeted, welcomed, and I will be congratulated, I will be honored everywhere, all the time. Everyone will like me and love me, and I will get dignity and honor. Organizations, companies will offer me, will invoke me, will call me to do job with them, to do job in their factories, in their farm. They will offer me, they will invoke me to do job with their factories. And if I start doing job, accepting their offer, if I start doing job, getting this offer, then before telling me off, they have to think 100 times. They will think 100 times before cancelling my job. Before sacking me, they have to think 100 times, because if they cancel me, if they sack me, they will not get other person like me. That is why they have to think 100 times before telling me off, and I can do my job calmly and peacefully, quietly. I can serve, I can do my job without any hesitation, without any vacillation, without any doubt, without any tension. I can pay attention on my work, I can pay concentration, I can earn lots of money, I can serve the people. So, to get good job, to earn huge amount of money, to lead peaceful life, luxurious life, to serve people, to help people, I need to be irrepressible person. You need to be irrepressible person. If you really want to do this, then you have to be irrepressible person. I have to be irrepressible person. I need to be irrepressible person. So, now let us come to the main point. How will I become irreplaceable person? What do I have to do for being irreplaceable person? What should I do to become irreplaceable person? So, let me ask you, in which field do you want to be irreplaceable person? Where do you want to be irreplaceable person? In which field? In teaching, in medication, or in other sector? Wherever you want to be irreplaceable person, you must have sufficient and enough knowledge about this sector, sufficient and enough ideas about this sector, about this profession. You have to achieve proficiency, you have to achieve efficiency, you have to achieve skill, you have to achieve competency for this field. Where you want to be irreplaceable person, where you want to serve, where you want to do job, you have to achieve, you have to gain, you have to gather, you have to acquire this knowledge, this idea, this skill, this proficiency. Otherwise, you can't be irreplaceable person. So, for being irreplaceable person, you have to achieve proficiency and efficiency and skill. The field you like so much, you prefer, the field you prefer, and you feel comfortable to do work there, and if you want to make it, to take it as a profession, in this field you have to be proficient person, you have to be skilled person, you have to be smart person, you have to be competent person, you have to be efficient person. Otherwise, you can't be irreplaceable person, you can do this job, and you must have capability to do work properly, you must have ability, you must have capacity to do work perfectly and properly and precisely. You must have knowledge and you must have skill, you must have proficiency, you have to have efficiency to do work perfectly and precisely. Otherwise, you can't be irreplaceable person. If you will be unable to do this proficiently and perfectly, then they will replace you, they will replace you, you will be replaced. For example, if you want to be an English teacher, then you have to know English language, you must have knowledge about English word, how to pronounce word, what is the correct pronunciation of word, how to use word, you have to know use of word, how to use this word, what is the definition of this word, and you have to know English language properly. You have to know rules and structures for making sense, for making sentences. You have to know how to use this word and how to pronounce this word properly. Otherwise, you will be replaced. Similarly, if you want to be chairman, member of parliament, even prime minister, whatever you want to be, you have to be irreplaceable person. So, for being irreplaceable person, you have to serve people. If you want to be a member or chairman or even prime minister. You have to serve people, you have to meet demand of people, you have to do good work, you have to do something that will help people, and people will feel comfortable with your activities. You have to satisfy people, you have to please people. You should not do anything that will harm them, that will cause agitation, anger among the people. You should not do this. If you do this bad thing, then people will replace you, you will be replaced. So, for being irreplaceable person, we have to do hard work. Without doing hard work, we can't be irreplaceable person. There is only one way to be irreplaceable person, it's doing hard. So, to make myself like irreplaceable, for being irreplaceable, I am trying hard. Are you trying? I think you are too. If you didn't start from today. It's high time for you. Start from today. Don't let anyone stop you. Just start today and keep fighting, keep struggling, and keep achieving knowledge, and try your best to make yourself like irreplaceable. If you try hard, if you fight with yourself, if you struggle, one day you will be able to make yourself like irreplaceable person. So, that is all for today. That is all about how to become irreplaceable and what is the meaning of irreplaceable and how can I become irreplaceable. That is all about this. I think you got your point. So, start making yourself like irreplaceable. See you again. Till then, stay well, keep well. Bye.